Hello, in this video, we're going to look at moving time from one item to another. The first thing we're going to do is identify the records that we'd like to move. To do this, we're going to select the staff member we'd like to move time for on the left-hand side. Here we have an example. We have the client and a project with some time entries, including a note. We're now going to move this time to another item. To do this, we'll click Admin, Timesheets, Move Time Bookings, and this will load the Move Time Bookings page. Now we can set the date range where we'd like to move the time bookings. We're going to set this for the week we looked at. We'll click Refresh, and this will show us all time available in the system for that date range. We're going to select the item we'd like to move time for, and we'll select the location we'd like to move the time to. We're going to say that we're going to move it to the same client, but we're going to move it to a different project. We can now click Validate to see the amount of hours that will be moved. We can see we have 77.5 hours, and that's because we're moving time for all staff members. We can also choose to move time for a single staff member, or select that staff member now, and we'll click Validate again. Now we can see that we're only moving 38 hours. Cascade will allow you to move all the time for any items that are at a lower level in Project A to any items in a lower level to Project B, as long as it has the corresponding items. If you do not have the corresponding items when trying to cascade move time, you'll receive a warning message. Ticking Allow Partial will allow it to move time from any matching records in Project A to Project B. However, the item Project A and the item Project B in our example do not have any lower levels, so we will not be using these functions. I'll click Save, and this will move the time from Project A to Project B. You can see the message here has updated to say 38 hours moved. We'll now go back and look at the timesheet for our example user. And we can see that moving time now says Project B, and the note and time have been moved to that item. If you have any questions about moving time, please click the support button in the top right-hand corner to contact our team for assistance, who will be happy to help.